Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, me and my friend Ebony are going to be doing 5-minute quick and easy hairstyles that you can do with curly hair or straight hair. So Ebony, if you want to introduce yourself.
Yeah, so like she said, I'm Ebony. I actually do quite a bit of hair work here in Raleigh. I predominantly do hairstyles for photo shoots and things of that nature. So if you're ever looking for someone to collab with and give you some cute styles or chic styles for your photo shoots, let me know.
So the first hairstyle we're gonna start with is this cute Princess Jasmine look. So if you want to see what we got going on today, just keep watching.
I saw this style a while back and I thought it would be really cool to do. I just needed someone who had enough hair for me to do it, so perfect.
Hopefully there's enough hair.
No, there's more than enough hair, as always.
I saw the picture, it looked extra long. Super Hold Spritz Hairspray.
And then if you want, you can kind of like expand like the fishtail to give it a little more zhuzh.
That is so freaking cute. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 cute 5-minute hairstyles. Thank you so much, Ebony, for doing this. This is so pretty. I think this might be my favorite one, honestly.
I do really like that one, yeah.
Comment down below which one is your favorite and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. And I will see you guys next time.